Okay, today I'm going to be opening some of this toy stuff that I got at Walmart. And first we have these Cutetitos. It's like a burrito with a stuffed animal in it. And then one of these things that spin and it goes really fast and you release it. And some magic putty. So, I'm gonna open the magic putty first. It's in this container, and let's see. And this is the color changing kind. So I really hope it changes more than one color, but I don't know if it's gonna, because that'd be really weird. I'm gonna take it out. It actually comes with quite a bit. Ooh, it's super cool. It's really stretchy. It's like kind of a weird putty. Let me see if it changes color. It doesn't really change color. That's why I'm kind of not happy with it. But it changes orange to like a yellow mustard color. But I was thinking it was gonna turn to like a purple. Because I don't think there's an amethyst fire one and a writing putty and a clear one and a glow in the dark. But the amethyst one, it changes with heat, but I don't know about this one. But I would give this, if there's a rating, I'd give it a 6 out of 10 because it doesn't really change color, but I really like the texture of it. Next, we're gonna do the Cutetitos. I'm really excited for it. So let's open it up. Oh, look at that. It looks like a burrito. I already see what I got. I got the cute sloth. Look at how cute that is. So I got the sloth, and let's see what, I got a mild, and it says his birthday is October 20th. He says, I'm as chill as a chili pepper. So his name is Despacito, but see, I got this cute little sloth. They're actually really soft. And it was around 10 bucks for the stuffed animal. And it's kind of like squishy-ish. So, and then you can wrap it back up in the blanket because it's got Velcro for it. All right, now we're gonna be opening the Dazzle Top. I think this is gonna be really fun because it should go really fast. I need to spin it faster. That's what I'm gonna do. Spin it to the max. Whoa, that's so cool. And it's got lights in the middle that light up, so at nighttime that'd be so lit at nighttime. Oh, it's still going super fast. But yeah, this is actually a really fun toy. I really like this. Let's just try. Hold it down as much as I possibly can. Oh, it's super fast. I like this. This is one of my favorites. I think it was $5, around that much. So this is what I got. So I got the Dazzle, the Sloth, and the Magic Putty. So this is all I got, and thank you all for watching. Bye.